Yeah, good day, guys. We'll be looking at how we can import in molecules from Chemdraw into Gaussview. Take for instance, let's say I don't have time on my side and I want to model for compounds that have, let's say, double ring fused together or three rings fused together. Then how can I model save my time instead of drawing the bonds or starting from the scratch drawing the molecules on Gaussview? How can I import in the molecules from using another software like Chemdraw into Gaussview? Okay, let's open our Chemdraw first, and let me just quickly show us how we work. Let me walk us on how we can model such compounds. Take for instance, let's say I have a three ring system. All right, you can place another ring here, use the ring. Then maybe we can place another one here. Let's make an assumption that there is an OH, the top of this particular compound. Here we have an OH here, right? Then there is an NH2 somewhere here. Right. All right. Then let's assume we have an acid here. Mm, let me go back and let me model the. Okay. All right. Now that I've modeled this compound, how do I now import it to Gaussview? We've modeled this compound on Chemdraw. How do I import it or how do I bring it into Gaussview? Firstly, I have to first save this file, Ctrl+L, S. Then let me name this compound as let's call this A, and I'm tracing derivative. Then let's save it as an SDF file. Remember we said we must save the file as SDF. Do we have anything like SDF here? Maybe like SDF mode. This game draw. This is mode. Yes, can you see you have the MDL and the SDF, so we save it as this. We choose the SDF file and then we save. Let's try to look for a working directory to save. No, you can come to desktop. You can open a new folder and name this one. Let's name it an tracing derivative. So derivative. Then we enter and then we come here, we save. All right, okay. Now we've saved the file on a system on a working directory. Now I now want to open this file on Gaussview. I want to open this file on Gaussview. Now I can come to Gaussview, open my Gaussview, then come to my file, then I come to open. Can we see what's happening? Then we can come to should that be all right? All right, then we can come to, is that desktop? All right, then under desktop, I think I open the file now. call that name anthracene derivative. Right, can we see the anthracene derivative now? I click on it, then I click on open. It's asking me, do I want to add hydrogen to the structure? Then I click on yes, and then it pops up. Right, then I can, but the structure is not yet cleaned. So I can come to clean to make or to readjust the bonds to bring it down to the ground state, and then clean does that for me. Wow, how interesting. We already have, now we have our compound from Chemdraw to Gaussview. This is our compound. So can we see how it looks like? How beautiful it looks. So we can carry out our calculations, or we can look at how beautiful it is. And if you want to model or you want to change certain features, let's say we are not satisfied with this particular double bonding that we have here and we want to change it to the resonating bonds, we can do that for this ring system. We can do that by maybe clicking on the modify bonds, then we click on this guy and this guy here, then we select this type of bond, then I click on OK, just like we did in the previous video. Then I do that here too. This is the resonating bond. Click on OK. Then here and here too. Click on the resonating bond. Then OK. And here and here too. Click on the resonating bond. And then OK. Then here. Oh, sorry. Here. Click on the resonating bond. And then OK. Then here. Click on the resonating bond. Where's the resonating bond? And OK. So can you see we apply the same principle to here in the resonating bond, and then OK. Then here, you click on the resonating bond, changes it, and then OK. And here, yes, the resonance is taking place within the system. And the resonating bond, OK. Here, click on the resonating bond, OK. And there, click on the resonating bond, and then OK. So here too likewise. All right. Resonating bond, OK. Then here, click on the resonating bond, and then OK. Now our compound is looking as beautiful, as handsome as ever. Now we can go ahead to carry out whatever calculations we want to carry out on this kind of compound. Thank you.